putting on your goddamn wig in the middle of Chinatown. Water. Ebu panda juu.
Tunauza dawa ya mgongo, dawa zote za nywele, ukwe na nywele ya mpindi.
Many hours ago, we were very excited. You should have seen the glee on our faces right now. Tired.
Excuse me. I have the energy.
You have the what?
And walk until then.
Bad energy, stay far.
Good bad energy, stay far away. Make you stay far away. Just give me love for the night, give me love for the night, girl, waste no time.
We made it to Bangkok, East African gang, a forehead gang. We're about to check into the hotel. The whole squad is here, and gorgeous Julie. Middle one. This one. There's just this one. Yes.
Only one?
Only one. Thank you. Best part about the room, since I just checked in, honestly, I'm really feeling the bathroom. Vibes. And look at that. That's my view from my room. That is hella dope. Bangkok, I'm ready for you, baby. Showered, took a nap.
Looking hella fresh.
My forehead is out. Sheila's forehead is out.
Foreheads are out.
So yeah, we're waiting for the two other girls. We've just gotten dressed. I think Sheila's ass looks impeccable.
Don't gas me up.
We're gonna go get food and like tour the night markets. Today is not our weakest link. She looks so cute with her pigtails. Julie, I don't know, man. She might be the weakest link girl in this trip, right?
Yep.
She might be the weakest link.
Yes.
She's not yet
that backdrop is so cute.
I think you should just perk up your booty just a bit so we can just, yeah.
I didn't squat enough in 2018. 2018 coming soon. To an Instagram near you. Booty shots.
Wait, would you get booty shorts though?
No, mine is sufficient
Yours is sufficient.
for me.
Would you change your boob?
Boobs. I don't know. I'm not sure. Some days I'm like, some days I'm like, hey, small boob. I love.
Small boob gang.
I
Like
can-
she never wears a bra.
Yeah. Then some days I'm like, wow, this top would look nice with big boobs.
So anyway, Nancy is rooming with Julie, and they're literally taking 5 million years to get ready.
Wait, please don't group us as one.
Still looking for stuff to eat. These guys want to settle for flipping McDonald's or eating at the restaurant, which is kind of like, no, why? We can eat street food. So let's hope I can convince them otherwise. Slurp on that shit.
Yeah.
Yours looks like it's much more tastier. I don't know why, because
No, it
has like 20 million veggies.
And 2 pieces of chicken. It's like, I actually have 5.
Yours has 5?
Yeah.
She was smart. She got like her own side, which was what did you get, boo?
Prawns, sour garlic prawns in Kenya or something like that. Yeah.
And it looks absolutely delicious. She's having that with rice, so I'm just waiting for my meal. I got the duck and it looks absolutely amazing. Ooh, I can't wait. Good morning. It's day 2. Last night we found food, went shopping, blacked out. Like I was just exhausted. Now this is pre-face beat, but I'm really loving how Bangkok and my skin are like, girl, yes. And then your moisturizing cream is like, yes. Anyway, I'm just about to go have breakfast with the girls before we start heading out because it's day 2. that was the opening ceremony to the Style and trade show exhibition that's happening right here. The Style Bangkok trade show for fashion, houseware, furniture, and all that good stuff in between. So now we're about to go inside and take a tour of what they have. I'm really looking forward to all the kitchen items that they're going to show us. So let's go peep it. So I stumbled on this like Christmas section. If you do not know, Sharon is like obsessed with Christmas, and I think she'd be like a kid in a candy store here with all these items that are here. Literally, I wonder what she would pick. Are you obsessed with Christmas? Let me know below as well. This seafood plate looks good. We have the queen, but she looks cute. And that's us, Ponyo. Currently shopping with Julie. Tell me this stuff isn't cute for like little kids. Well, little Julie, think you can fit into this? Actually, for me, my favorite outfit was this. Oh my god, this is so cute. The one thing I love about Bangkok is you can shop at practically any time. And I was here 2 years ago. 2 years ago. So crazy how I remember most of the streets that I went to, and this is one of the places that I did a lot of shopping. Yeah.
Hanya, tunauza dawa ya mgongo, dawa zote za nywele, kuwe na nywele ya mpindi.
I have the gym to myself. Finish the workout. Like, there's absolutely no excuse. There was no excuse, and I bodied that shit. This is like the best part. Cold towel. Yeah. Yes, baby.
Hey, staying so good for me if they want.
So here I was dancing my butt off because I really just wanted to check out how cute I was looking on the new Huawei Y9. To be honest with you, when they approached me to review this phone, I was very excited, and because I take the different angle to reviewing a product, because most of the content that I create is food content, right? And lifestyle, of course, but majority of it, like I want to say 80%, 80% is food. So when they gave me this phone, that was the angle that I was gonna take. And I know there's a lot of food content creators who follow me, and they're always wondering how I shoot my food or what phone you should use to shoot your food. And to be honest with you, if you are on a budget, because life happens that you get to be on a budget, I personally feel like this is going to be the phone for you. I got to see how well it could shoot earlier on during, of course, the meeting. But I'm going to take another test run throughout my stay here in Bangkok for you guys to be able to see how amazing it is to capture food content, lifestyle content, because every content creator needs their camera. And what better way to, of course, you know, have your camera if it's affordable. And I'm gonna place a link in my description box below for you guys to see how much it costs. It's under, you could even say 28K, yeah, 28,000, which is $280. So check out the link. I'm gonna show you how amazing this camera is. No hype, to be honest. I got impressed. That's why I jumped onto this campaign, and I'm looking forward to showing you guys how dope it is. After that bumpy tuk-tuk ride, the vibe here is just right. Like, look at this place. Busy, beautiful. There's Mexican food here. There's sushi bowls. There's soul food. There's, what else did I forget? There's a TBC. Where can I see it? TBC. There's some pork ribs that's served here. Cocktails, pizza. This is what we ordered. Oh my God. There's pad thai here, which has some shrimp. This pizza, it was all Nancy's. I'm putting this thing. See how cheap she is? That's how cheap she is, for real, for real. But anyway, Nancy ordered this pizza. What was it?
It was calamari and prawns, some pizza. That's what it has. Oh my god, it looks so good.
How's your cocktail? To die for? Let's see it. Ooh, honey, child, we can't handle you.
Reminds me of my last drink.
Which one? We've had plenty.
Yeah, just it and those things.
Meal got body, 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 body. So let's hear what everybody had to say. Let's start this way. Julie, what was your favorite? Tostados?
Yeah. So what?
Tostados. Muy bien. So the tostados was good. How about the pizza? It was good as well. Did you like the pad thai?
No.
How can you be in Thailand and hate on the pad thai? Okay. Sheila, what was your fave?
What was this again?
It was tacos.
I love it. It's so good. And this sauce, I don't even know what the sauce is made of, but this
It was good.
was the game changer.
Pizza? Do you think Nancy did good with the pizza or not?
Good, but I think it was cold.
And whose fault is that?
Definitely not me.
Not
Okay. Next, bitch. Okay, report to duty. What did you like and what did you dislike? Of course, you like the pizza. I'm not understanding this. We are in Thailand. We have to eat Thai food. Pad Thai is like their main. I'm not built like that.
I think it's because of the peanut sauce.
You know,
What did you
mashapura is trash, but
Yeah.
Don't quote me. Nancy also hates mashakura. We can bring up the
But
receipt.
that's what she makes.
She makes the best mashakura.
I do. Please, Miss
Tutorial coming to a YouTube channel near you.
We are not going to be hosted by her. Nah, that's not girlfriend diary vibes. Fuck yeah!
Julia, we together.
Hata wewe ni mwingine mashakura mwid.